Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So if you're also facing this kind of error on your iPhone devices when you try to install any app, in this video I will show you how to fix that. First of all, you need to close that. After that, you need to open your settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to find app section. Okay, you can see right now, and from here you need to scroll down and find here Safari. Okay, tap on Safari, you can see right now. Then go back and scroll down again and find here clear history and website data. Okay, tap on that and clear all history and website data from your Safari browser. Okay, if that method not working and you're still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone time and date. Okay, to do that, open iPhone settings. Now scroll down, tap on general. After tapping general, you need to scroll down again and find your date and time. Okay, you can see appears on screen set automatically. Make sure you are also set your iPhone time and date automatically, and then try to again install the app. If that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is make sure you are not connected any VPN. Okay, if you're connected with any VPN, just remove the VPN and then try to install app. Tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down and tap on VPN and device management and make sure you are not connected with any VPN. If that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings and make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update your iPhone, just update your iPhone. To check that, open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in that section. Okay, if that method is also not working and facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, by do that simple step you can easily fix that issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.